Let's play a new game, Marie. I'll paint a picture and you tell me what the short vowel sound is in the middle of the word. Me? You know your vowels, right? A, E, I, O, U. And you know that sometimes vowel sounds are long and sometimes they're short. Sure. Okay, so I paint a picture, then you tell me what it is. That's a cat. And what letter stands for the short vowel sound in the middle of the word cat? Cat. Cat. Is it an A? Good, Marie. So what's this? Oink, oink. That's a cute little pig. The short vowel sound in pig is I. I. The letter I stands for that sound. Good one. What's this? The sun. S-N. It has the sound in the middle. U stands for that. You got everyone right, Marie. So what does the cat say? The cat says meow. Not this cat. He says, I bet Marie can spell the word cat. Well, he's wrong. But you can spell. You already know there's a short vowel A in the middle of the word. Just say cat out loud and listen carefully to the beginning and end sounds. Cat. Cat. K. K. Can you think of a letter that stands for that sound? K. K. C. C can stand for the K sound. It does, Marie. Now, what's the last sound in the word cat? K. At. K. At. T. T. T stands for the T sound. Cat is spelled C-A-T. Cat. Marie, you just spelled cat. Cat. C-A-T. 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 What's the first sound in pig? Pig. P stands for the P sound. And I already know there's an I in the middle. That leaves the G sound. That's a G. Pig is spelled P-I-G. Pig. Marie, you're an awesome speller. I'm a speller. The first sound in sun is S. S. That's an S. The middle letter is U, and the last sound is the N. N sound. That's an N. Sun is spelled S-U-N. Sun. You know what the cat says now? What does the cat say now? The cat says Marie is an excellent speller. And you're the best sister in the world. Aww. Dad, guess what I can do?